But here's the curriculum right here. And if you're listening to me right now, there's 9 skills that you have to master to validate your CompTIA A+ certification. Hardware, operating systems, software troubleshooting, network troubleshooting, mobile devices, virtualization, cloud, operational procedures. All of these things and these sections, if you actually buy the book, some of the sections that will mainly be broken into, and of course I'll go in more detail in each one of these areas. If you actually learn this stuff and not just go ahead and take the test and pass, because that's actually the easy part. Taking the test and passing it, you can actually go through, retake the test over and over and over again, and eventually you'll pass the test. I'm telling you to study the common body of knowledge and know and understand what's actually happening. Go beyond just taking the test. Go beyond just taking the questions and passing the test. Go into actually setting up a lab in your house, figuring out how to put all that stuff together, figuring out your own network, figuring out how firewalls, host-based firewalls work. How's that different from network firewalls? Learning all that stuff by maybe even actually doing it in your own home. Maybe actually helping your community out if there's an opportunity for you to do that. Actually getting hands-on to where you literally understand it. Building your own computer, things like that, to where you understand it so fully that the CompTIA A+ certification, when you get it, is not a big deal. It's your first certification, so obviously, you're going to be patting yourself on the back. But what I'm saying is, if you expand your base and you understand this stuff, like, if you really deeply understand it, you can go take other certifications. Entry-level certifications easy. Like A+ certification is the natural next step in your evolution. And then the next thing you could probably take is a Google support IT certification, which will probably be easy for you because you have gone so deep in the rabbit hole for A+ certification. I'm telling you to learn the common body of knowledge and learn the process. Put that work in, and that will give you everything else. You'll get all kinds of other prizes, not just the certification. And it might even inspire you to go get a degree if you choose to go that path. You don't have to, but you could. The process over the prize. There's this book I read, really good book. Encourage you to go out and get it. It's called Atomic Habits, and it's a really good book. One of the things he said in the book was, don't focus on the goal, focus on the system, creating a system to get that goal. That's what I'm talking about. So if you focus on the process that'll get you to that certification, you can get a whole bunch of other certifications and experience if you actually understand how to build computers, how to build a network, if you actually have a hands-on that you can do in your house nowadays. So that's what I'm trying to encourage you to do.